Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet and press the bell icon for further notification on my videos. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will prepare butter cookie recipe which is so simple yet so delicious. Let's move on to the recipe. Please note down the ingredients.
Here we have taken 200 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, 5 tablespoons of butter, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. First, we will take a bowl and add the melted butter in it. I have taken the salted butter. You can use the plain butter. Next, we will add the powdered sugar. Then, we will add the vanilla essence to it. You can add any flavor to your cookies. I had the vanilla one, so I used vanilla essence. Now whisk everything very nicely. You will get a smooth consistent batter. After whisking for about 2 minutes, the consistency looks like this. Now we will add 1/4 cup of milk to it and whisk very nicely again for about 2 minutes. Blend the mixture very well. Now we will add the maida little by little and mix very slowly. We should get a flowing consistency batter. See, the mixture looks very smooth. Now we will add the remaining maida and mix very nicely. You can also add some water to make the batter thin. I added some water here to make the cookie consistency. Whisk everything for about 2 minutes. See, the consistency should be like this. Now we will transfer the batter to the piping bag and we will start making the cookies. Here I have already greased the baking tray with some butter and maida. Now we will make some cookies. See, the cookie looks like this. We will make all the cookies. Now we will bake the cookies at 170 degrees for 20 minutes in an oven. Hope you have liked this simple butter cookie recipe. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and share the recipe with your friends and family. Thank you.